We have been talking about cross-border data transfer and the need to conduct data transfer impact assessment. In this video, we are going to talk about some of the best practices while you are conducting data transfer impact assessment. Welcome to my YouTube channel where you daily see new content on data privacy, and as I mentioned, in this video we are going to discuss about some of the best practices for conducting a data transfer impact assessment required before doing a cross-border data transfer. What cases do you need to do a DTIA when you do a cross-border data transfer? It's in the case wherein you find that the country where you are sending your information is not an adequate country. The definition of adequate country as per GDPR is a country which does not lay emphasis on the data privacy laws of their own citizens. So, since they don't know what it is, since they don't lay any emphasis on this, the chances are that they don't know how to handle foreign national privacy data, right? So GDPR says that you should sign up contracts with them and you should regularly check that they are taking care of your citizens' data, European citizens' data, as good as when the data is within Europe following under GDPR norms. And they help the sender, the European company that is sending the data outside, to ensure that they continue to stay GDPR compliant. What are the best practices? First of all, you need to create a pre-transfer checklist. Create a proper checklist. What does it do? It helps you first of all to classify what is the nature of the data that you are transferring. If it is personal, is it personal and sensitive as well? So you need to be careful about it. And then based on the sensitivity and the nature of the personal data you are transferring, clear guidelines should be established. Then you should speak to your cross-functional teams. We have been talking about this. You need IT team because you need to ensure about the access controls and security of the data, encryption of the data. You need the legal compliance teams so that the contracts are framed accordingly, right? Correct language is being used. So you talk to those teams, involve those teams, let them do their research and come up with the right ways as to what are the risks and how can they be mitigated. Then you should access the legal framework of the destination country where the information is going. You need to be regularly updated with the laws that they follow. You should collaborate with legal experts of their country as well as your own legal experts so that your contracts like standard contractual clauses, binding corporate rules, other agreements that you sign with them cover you or both of you to ensure that the information is safe and is not hacked and is not misused and is not wrongly shared. You should evaluate and strengthen all possible safeguards. For example, if encryption is not there, you should put in encryption, you should put in multi-factor authentication, and as I mentioned earlier, your contracts, standard contractual clauses, binding corporate rules should be as strong as possible so that you are safe both from litigation as well as the breach of your users' privacy data. You should document the entire process. The process of conducting a DTIA at the initial stage itself is dependent on a lot of documentation. You need to create a lot of document, and then based on your documentation you submit it to the authorities, and then the authorities decide whether they are going to allow you to do the cross-border data transfer or not. And once you start doing it, you should evaluate the legal landscape. What are the laws? What laws protect you? What laws can go against you? Monitor and review the regular data transfers so you ensure that the data is safe, not getting hacked, not getting breached, and review the DTIA clauses from time to time. Keep them updated with changes in GDPR regulations as well as changes or upbringing of any other compliance in the destination country, and keep your information of your data subjects very, very safe. That's all that I have when I wanted to talk about the best practices of conducting a DTIA. I hope you like the content. Please press the like and bell icon. Share your feedback in the comment section and subscribe to my channel to stay updated on data privacy on a daily basis if you have not already done that. Thank you.